gagawin ko ay nandiyan kaya pa ako ng gatas nila. Ngayon naman po ay mag-aayos pala yung sarili na ito. Ay papasok na ako. Sugar. Brian dyan, Brian. Gising na. Ngayon po ay papasok na po ako ng school. Makulimlim ang panahon. Medyo makulimlim po ang panahon ngayon. Kung nag-ulan na naman pumaga, wala na naman pumapasok. Chinelas lang po muna ako kasi yung sapatos ko na yan. Mga tata. Dito na po kami sa may Santa Clara. Morning po. Morning, Ate Grace. Morning po, Ate Sayo. Morning, teacher. O, diba? Napagod ka lang yung tatanong ka. Oh, ganito mo na. Say quiet. Say quiet.
Pwede ikaw na papagod ah.
Say quiet.
Your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands.
Nakumit tissue.
Clap your hands. Di ba? Ay, hindi nga pala pwede sa akin. Eraser. Stop. Ready? O, dali. Dito na tayo.
Ah, dito na. Ella, tingin dito.
Ayan.
Lydia, tingin na dito. Okay, we have number 5 here.
Ay, pitik-pitik niya.
And this is addition with 8, 10. What? Oh, let's start again. Ay, Lydia, tingin. Ay, Lydia, dito tingin. Oh, we have here number. What number is this? Elijah, what number is this? What is the number? What is the two numbers we're going to combine? What?
Ready?
What number?
Lagay natin sa
Okay, you write it on the board. Write it on the board.
Tayo sa fan. Let's go to, electric fan. Come, stand up.
Okay, 3 plus 2 is equal to? 5. Okay, very good. Okay, next, if we have number 8, what are the two numbers you're going to combine to get number 8 equal? To get number 8, answer. And we have number 8. What are the two numbers you're going to combine? 7 and 2. 7 and 2. Can we count it? 7 plus 2. What's the answer? 6 and 2. Okay, 6 and 2. Aside from 6 and 2, what is the other number you're going to combine to get number 8 answer?
Here.
8 plus?
Pwede na ba, kids?
Ano sa ba?
Pinapagod niyo yung...
Sige, 8 plus 6 and 2. 6 and 2, aside from 6 and 2. What is the other answer? Two numbers you're going to combine. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 also. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. And 5 plus 3 is equal to, what is the answer? 5 plus 3. What is your answer? Okay, it's also 8. And then 4 plus 4. What is the answer?
Open your eyes and that.
8. Okay, 8 also. Very good. And then 2 and 3 plus 5. What is the answer? 8. Okay, 8. Very good. What about naman pag we have 3? 2 plus 6. What's the answer? 8 also. And then
Hungry.
1 plus
Hungry.
7 is equal to It's the same like this. Can you see the difference po? If you this one, the number in the first number po, in the first part, the number will be count from greatest number going to lower number 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then in the other part po, the number will count into from less number to greatest. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That is what you going to do to add number within 0. Bless you. Okay. Next naman ay get you. Okay, any number po. Okay, the number is number 10. What are you going to add to get number 10 answer? For example, if we have 10, we have already 10. The last, what are you going to add? 10? We have 10 answer daw po. Ang answer daw po natin ay 10. What are you going to add? 10 plus to get 10 answer. 10 plus 10 plus 0 is equal to, what is the answer? 10. Okay. 10, ano sunod ng 10? You're going to count it from greatest to lowest. Greatest to lowest. What is the next? 10, 9, plus, what are you going to add? What is the next? 0? Ano sunod sa 0? Ano sunod sa 0? 1. Okay, what is the answer? 9 plus 1 is equal to? Okay, very good. It's also 10. What about what is the next? 8 plus 2. Okay, 8 plus 2. What is the answer again? What is the answer? 10. It's also 10. And then what is the next? 7 and 3. 7 plus 3. What is the answer? 10. Very good. Next. 6 and 4. Okay, next. 10. Next. No, next. 5 and 5. 5 and 5. What is the answer? What is the answer? 10. Very good. Next. Anong next? 4 and 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Next. What is next? 7. Anong next ng 4? 3 plus 7. What is the answer? 10. Very good. Next. 2 plus 8. What is the answer again? 10. Very good. Next. 1 and 9. What is the answer? 10. Good job. Okay, so you can see po, this one, you're going to arrange it in this side of this part. You're going to arrange it from greatest to lowest. And then in the other part of this addition, you're going to arrange it from lower number going to the higher number. So you will get the answers. It's all the same. The answer is, what is the answer in these two numbers? Diba? We have different number but we have the same answer. Okay? Next, Ella, you answer this one. Can you answer it? If we have number, for example, if we have number 7, answer. We have number 7. What are you going to do? Answer it. Halika. Come here in front. Eli. Come here in front. Answer it. You're going to find two numbers to get the number 7 answer. What is the answer? Otherwise, you do like this, what teacher do? 7 plus 7. Ano muna? 7. You write 7. Hindi po. We have, di ba this one, you write muna 7. Write 7. 7. You write 7. No. You write 7. Write 7. And then, class, what are you going to add to get 7? Yung kagaya ng ginawa ni teacher, like what I did.
Zero.
Okay, plus 0. Equals?
7.
Okay. Lagyan mo equals. Let equal. What is the next? What is the next?
6 and 1.
Okay, right. Equals. Next.
5 and 2.
Very good. Odo. No? Is it 2? Write it properly. Erase it. What is the answer? Okay, next. Where's the add? You put add. Very good. Okay, next. What is the 4 plus 2? Anong next?
4.
It's correct.
4 plus 3 equals 7.
Okay, next.
Pwede ko makasya si Yuri na may sabi na sama.
You put add po. Very good. And the next. You put add. Don't forget the add. Add. It's sorry. It's equal. Add po. Yeah. Ay, sorry. Plus sign pala. You put plus sign. Plus sign. So, equals. Okay, very good. Okay, you can see po here, just like what I did earlier. Oh, di ba we have different combined numbers, but we have the same answer. Okay, good job, Eli. Okay po. Can you get your math notebook and answer this, Eli? Eli, answer this, ah. You get math notebook.
Oh, what's that sound?
Why?
Lizard. Yuri.
Baba?
Oh.
Baba? Baba?
Ito na. Do not finish. O si Dali pa. Oo, dali na. Come. Ay, higpit ko na to, Yuri. Let's go, Yuri. Oh, what's that sound? Come. Let's go. Yuri. We're not done. Come here. Ay,
Yuri.
Halika rito.